Sebastiano Ricci was born August 1, 1659, died May 15, 1734. He was an Italian painter of the late Baroque school of Venice, about the same age as Piazzetta, and an elder contemporary of Tiepolo. He represents a late version of the vigorous and luminous Cortonesque style of grand manner fresco painting, Italian decorative painter. He was born in the Veneto and is considered a member of the Venetian School, but before he settled permanently in Venice in 1717 he led a peripatetic life, working in numerous Italian cities and also in England, Flanders, France, and Germany. His unsettled existence is a reflection not only of the demand for his talents but also of his penchant for illicit love affairs, which often led to his having to move in haste, and once almost resulted in his execution. In view of this, it is not surprising that his work is uneven and sometimes shows signs of carelessness, but he had a gift for vivid, fresh coloring, and his itinerant career was important in spreading knowledge of Italian decorative painting.